is a phone we got in today, and it looks like something might be stuck in the charging dock because it's not charging. You can see it's on, and when I try to plug it in, no light from the charger, and it doesn't light up or show the lightning bolt. So what we're going to do is try to clean it out. What we're going to do is take a toothpick, and we're going to try to avoid the sides and just go into the middle. And you can see that there's a lot of lint in there already. Just going to take a physical look at it and just see if I missed any. Looks like I do have some dust in the sides here. You can see it's really packed in there with dirt. Okay, one more time, and then I'm gonna plug it in and see if we got all the dirt. Okay, now I'm going to try to plug it in. And there it is. Alright, so it looks like we cleaned it. That's all it was.